The man behind the heliocentric theory, a biography of Nicholas Copernicus. Nicholas Copernicus was a Renaissance mathematician and astronomer who revolutionized our understanding of the universe with his heliocentric theory, which proposed that the Sun, not the Earth, was the center of the solar system. Born on February 19, 1473 in Torun, Poland, Copernicus lived during a time of great change, both intellectually and socially. His work challenged the traditional beliefs and theories of the Church, and his ideas paved the way for modern astronomy and our understanding of the cosmos. Copernicus was the youngest of 4 children born to Nicholas Copernic and Barbara Vatsenrode, a prosperous merchant family. His father passed away when he was only 10 years old, and he was taken in by his uncle, a bishop of Warmia, who ensured his education. Copernicus showed an early aptitude for mathematics and astronomy, and his uncle sent him to study at the University of Krakow in 1491. At the university, Copernicus studied a wide range of subjects, including mathematics, philosophy, and astronomy. He was particularly fascinated by the works of Greek mathematician and astronomer Ptolemy, who proposed the geocentric theory, where the Earth was believed to be the center of the universe. Copernicus also studied canon law and received a doctorate in both canon and civil law in 1503. After completing his studies, Copernicus returned to Warmia, where his uncle had secured him a position as a canon at the Frombork Cathedral. This allowed him to continue his studies and pursue his interest in astronomy. He began to observe the skies and make detailed observations of the movements of the planets. He also started to question the traditional beliefs of the Church, which stated that the Earth was the center of the universe. Copernicus spent over 30 years studying and developing his heliocentric theory, which suggested that the planets, including the Earth, revolve around the Sun. This theory was not entirely new, as it had been proposed by ancient Greek philosophers, but it had been rejected in favor of the geocentric theory. Copernicus's work was heavily influenced by the ideas of Greek astronomer Aristarchus, who had also proposed a heliocentric model in the 3rd century BC. In 1514, Copernicus published a short manuscript, titled Commentariolus, which outlined his heliocentric theory. However, he did not publish his full work until 1543, in a book entitled On the Revolutions of the Heavenly Spheres. The book was dedicated to Pope Paul III, as Copernicus wanted to ensure that his work would not be seen as heretical by the Church. Copernicus's heliocentric theory was a major breakthrough in the field of astronomy, as it provided a more accurate explanation of the movements of the planets and stars. It also challenged the traditional beliefs of the Church, which maintained that the Earth was the center of the universe. The book was met with both praise and criticism, with some scholars embracing his ideas, while others rejected them as being against the teachings of the Church. Sadly, Copernicus did not live to see the impact of his work. He passed away on May 24, 1543, at the age of 70, just after his book was published. He was buried at the Frombork Cathedral, where his tombstone reads, Nicholas Copernicus, the world's best-known astronomer. Despite the controversy surrounding his work, Copernicus's heliocentric theory laid the foundation for modern astronomy and our understanding of the universe. His work influenced many other scientists, including Galileo Galilei and Johannes Kepler, who further developed and supported his ideas. In addition to his contributions to astronomy, Copernicus was also a skilled mathematician and physician. He studied medicine at the University of Padua and became a physician who treated his uncle as well as other members of the Church. He also developed a new currency system for the city of Varmia, which was used for over 300 years. Nicholas Copernicus was a visionary scientist who defied traditional beliefs and challenged the status quo. His groundbreaking work has paved the way for modern astronomy and has inspired generations of scientists to explore the wonders of the universe. His legacy will continue to inspire us to push the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding of the cosmos.